Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys this Bluetooth headphone to your Samsung phone. So as you can unpair, and guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair this headphone. Guys, click on your connection setting. Click on Bluetooth setting. So as you can see the right side guys, the setting icon guys. So I tap here, and as you can see your unpair option. So I want to unpair, so you can unpair from here, and we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.